In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail without providing a phone number in 2025. This guide will walk you through the process smoothly and help you set up your Gmail without needing to link your phone. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Google by simply typing in google.com and hitting enter. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll notice various options at your fingertips. Our focus here is on signing in to start the process, so look towards the top right corner of the page and click on Sign In. If you don't see this option right away, it could be due to your browser settings or extensions. Try refreshing the page or opening it in an incognito window. It's essential to start from here, as it directs us toward accessing Gmail appropriately. Once you've clicked Sign In, you might see a selection of accounts if you've signed in before. If that's the case, choose your intended Gmail account. If not, you'll find the option to create a new account. Now proceed to the next step, which involves accessing Gmail directly from the Google page. Look around for the Gmail link or icon. It's also generally located in the upper right area, alongside other Google services. Clicking here will take you directly to the Gmail interface. Once you are in Gmail, you should see your dashboard displaying your inbox and other categories like drafts and sent mail on the left side. From here, your next action is to click on your profile icon. You'll find this usually as your initial or a picture if you've set one, again on the top right corner of your Gmail page. This icon accesses your profile settings, and when clicked, it gives you the option to manage your Google account. Click the Manage Your Google Account link. It's essential because this is where key account settings, including security preferences, can be modified. Navigating through this section, you want to focus on security features critical to bypass the phone number requirement. On the left side menu, choose the security option. This action will direct you to a page dedicated to reviewing and adjusting your security settings and recovery options. As you work through these settings, scroll down until you find the ways we can verify it's you section. Here, click on recovery email. It's a crucial part of account security, allowing you to add an email beside your primary one for recovering access to your account. This step becomes a substitute for phone verification and helps in securing your account without needing a phone number. As we wrap up, remember these steps are essential for maximizing your privacy and maintaining secured access to your Gmail account. By choosing recovery emails and managing your security settings, you've effectively bypassed the traditional phone number requirement. Feel free to visit again for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.